Great. I must say it was a great experience. It's not the first time I visit the exhibition. I was here 4 years ago. I was held in Suntec, if I'm not wrong, and really happy to see how well the show is growing. And beside the size, what really is striking me and make me confident about this exhibition is the general atmosphere that you can see, that you can sense walking through the aisles. We see a lot of people. It looks like a very vibrant exhibition. A lot of interaction. I discussed with a lot of visitors as well as exhibitors, and both seems to be very happy to meet. So probably someone must be doing a good job. So yeah, that's the feeling that the exhibition gave me. Definitely, there is a lot of value added with this kind of event. Of course, from a business point of view, to provide this kind of platform for people to meet, even today in a digital age, is still, in my opinion, very important to have physical meetings. And of course, it's very cost effective for anyone selling or involved in the medical industry to meet all of his clients or potential clients, because that's at the end of the day, the purpose of being here. For an association is great. We represent a whole ecosystem of the country, of Malaysia manufacturer, and to have this kind of event really provide them a great ecosystem for them to develop their business. And I believe it's the same for all of the association or organization in the region.